myself, Donna Pucciani, Judith Valente, would you guys stand up please? And Al DiGenova. Let me give a brief introduction before we start our reading. Judy was a correspondent for the Wall Street Journal, Washington Post, People Magazine, Chicago Public Radio. Perhaps you've heard some of her work on Chicago Public Radio and currently PBS television. She's also the author of 3 books of poetry and essays, which you can look at after the reading. And my friend Al DiGenova is also the author of several collections of poetry. He founded After Hours, a Journal of Chicago Writing and Art in June 2000, and it is still going strong. And he continues as a publisher and editor. On the side, he is a blues saxophonist. And I'm Donna Pucciani. I'm Vice President of Poets Club of Chicago, the author of 4 books of poetry, and my poems have been translated into Japanese, Chinese, and a few in Italian. So that's all of us. And Judy is going to start the program tonight.